विश्वास दे तुम बुद्धि दे तुम तेज दे चेतना विश्वास दे जे सत्य सुंदर सर्वथा जे सत्य सुंदर सर्वथा जन्म का साधास दे तुम बुद्धि दे तुम तेज दे नव चेतना विश्वास दे हलवली आभान जानते हो गया सा सोपति सांपले आभान जाना हो गया सा सारथी हलवली आभान जानते हो गया सा सोपति सांपले आभान जाना हो गया सा सारथी साधना करके तुझे साधना करके तुझे नित्य तव सहवास जे सत्य सुंदर सर्वथा जन्म का साधास दे तुम बुद्धि दे तुम तेज दे नव चेतना विश्वास दे We will start today's function by looking back at the year 2021. Though it is not technically over for grade 10, they are yet to begin their board exams in the month of May. But it is always worth a while looking at what we have achieved in the previous year. May I now respectfully invite Principal Ma'am to give us an overview of the academic year that 2021 was.
It's a privilege to use this platform to address you all and talk about year 2021. Year 2021 was definitely a year of challenging, year of introspection, year of understanding, year of learning, year of staying at home and at the same time giving our 100%. 2021 was not a year of planning, but utilizing the opportunities, whatever they are coming, you are supposed to use them and give your 100%. And beside that, most importantly, saving yourself. Life is an adventure. We all know it is an adventure. We are supposed to live it the fullest. And at the same time, we should not forget to express our gratitude, gratefulness, appreciation, and thanksgiving to our environment, nature, people around us, our family members, our supporters, our community helpers, each and every member whom we are associated with. If we look back 2021, we all have different stories. We all have stories. I think everyone can speak on 2021. But the best part is 2021 is not there, but the learning, whatever we have learned, that will remain lifelong. It has become now history. History is a method of teaching learning. We learn from history and we learn to live in the best way. The mistakes which we have done in past, we must not repeat. That is what is all about history. The major part of 2021 was very negative. People were losing their family members. People were living, we all were living in fear. It was a nightmare. But life was still on. I have people who talk about, I have many people who talk about their nightmare, that they were not getting sleep. But at the same time, the families where the children were there, they lived their life in the best way. I think the parents who were having small children, they really enjoyed their life. They were able to give time to their children 100%. Who all could not talk to their children, they got chances to speak to their children. Initially, it was a time, I would say it was an enjoyable time for a few weeks. Later, it became very tough to survive. As stories were coming, we all were becoming curious, at the same time scared as well. But whatever learning has taken place, that will last long. I want to say that if at all we are in a negative atmosphere, we must remain positive. Then only we can win the situation. That is what we all have done in Podar International School. We teachers, we all were together. We planned our routine. We planned our day. Wherever the teachers were, they made themselves very prominent and very efficient to be part of the education. And that's how I can say partnership in education along with parents was wonderful. Hence, I can give a tagline to this, that year 2021 was a year in partnership or partnership in education. At home, parents were the support system, and online, the teachers were the guide, support system, and hats off to the teachers whom the children were calling anytime, and they were responding to their children. The mind works according to the need and situation. Regular life and life during pandemic was very different. And you can see that we have given our 100% and we have overcome that situation. So in advance, I would like to congratulate each and every student and their parents for their support. And I would like to congratulate all my teachers as well. We are going to give them award. We are going to give award to our teachers as well, because they are also the winners. Because the winning, when you appreciate somebody with the award, it makes a definite big difference. So let's begin with the award ceremony and appreciate our children. I request all our parents to appreciate their children and the teachers through applaud, and they may send the messages after as the meeting gets over. Over to Gomti for the award ceremony.
The first category, as Vaishali ma'am gets ready to share her screen with us, is the award for the most inquisitive learner for grades 8 to 10. What we have done is, at every grade level, we have picked up children and we have recognized their efforts in that particular category. To tell you what this category is, I call upon Poonam Ganzale ma'am. She will be briefing you about the award that is the most inquisitive learner.
Thank you, Gomti ma'am. Good evening, respected principal ma'am, vice principal ma'am, coordinators, teachers, parents, and all my dear students. Learning is a part of our life. Every one of us is a student. But don't just teach our children to read, but teach them to question what they have read. There are some great personalities in every class who just do not limit themselves to what teacher has taught them in the class. But sometimes they ask such kind of questions which are really very challenging. Their eagerness, curiosity to understand each and everything make them very special in the class. And it is also motivate teachers to give some extra in every class. Congratulations to those most inquisitive students who are being chosen for this special category award. Over to Gopina.
Thank you, Poonam. We now have the winners in this category of most inquisitive learner. We will begin with grade 8. The children who bagged the award from grade 8 in this category are Rishika Doris from 8A and Purna Nalginder from 8B. A huge round of applause. Going over to 9th standard, from 9th A we have two children, Raksha Nagar and Vedant Pawar. From 9th B we have Kritika Sahu and Samruti Karpe. And to the senior most batch in the school from grade 10, we have Ankita Nair and Atharva Sonamne as the most inquisitive learners. What we are doing in this segment with all of you, my dear children and parents, is a mix and match. So you will be looking at the children who are winning awards and also the teachers who deserve these awards. So while I will be going through the list of children who are winning the awards, with all due respect, Principal Ma'am will be talking about the teachers who have received various awards. So I request you to applaud and express your appreciation for your teachers who are for your teachers who are for you. We begin with the first set of teachers awards now.
We would like to, dear parents, students, we would like to award our Vice Principal Madam, Mrs. Sheetal Jaiswara, as a Miss Mathematician Shakuntala Devi Award. We have Gomti Kaushik as an incredible transformational teacher award. We have our middle school coordinator, the most committed team member award, Miss Vaishali Gore. The entire setup, the parents, the entire setup, the entire plan, it is in a team. Under she was heading the team, and under her, Kaustubh, Chaitanya, Arjun, Gomti. These teachers were the main people who were involved, and they have done this award ceremony in the best way. The presentation. We have the most incredible teacher, primary coordinator, and a teacher who's teaching up to fifth standard. She has been given incredible teacher as she has progressed right from beginning to this level. We have most cheerful teacher in the primary, Sneha Shinde. Sneha Shinde.
The next category is the most enthusiastic learner award for handpicked students of grades 8 to 10. Now, may I request Soumya ma'am to please come forward and tell us what this award is about.
Thank you, Gomti ma'am. Good afternoon, one and all. An enthusiastic heart finds opportunities everywhere. Enthusiasm is an inherent interest to learn new things and keep kindling the spirit of constant learning in an individual. Enthusiastic learners create new opportunities at every stage and thus open new avenues for improvement. Planned and target-oriented work is a hallmark of such learners. It is a time for us to recognize such enthusiastic learners. Let's congratulate all our enthusiastic learners. Let's see the winners. Over to Gomti ma'am.
Thank you, Soumya. Now, this segment of students are very important because they are at the topmost level in school education. 8th graders who are already into 9th and 9th graders who have passed on to get into 10th. And our existing 10th batch, which will be appearing for the boards. So this is a very significant, recognition of your spirit by attending classes. From 8A, we have Omkar Gubnale as the most enthusiastic learner, and from 8B, Girija Deshmukh as the most enthusiastic learner. 9th standard, we have Nisarga Adak from 9th A and Neeraj Shevkari from 9th A. From 9th B, we have Aryan Mohite and Shruti Dharane as the most enthusiastic learners. And grade 10, we have Ishwari Gaikwad and Tanmay Navgire as the most enthusiastic learners from grade 10. Now to unveil more awards for the teachers, may I please request ma'am to continue.
We have another set of teachers who are to be appreciated. Mrs. Madhubala Singh. Proactive Teacher Award goes to her. She is one of the proactive teachers. Mrs. Yogita Chaskar, one of our hardworking teachers, she gets this award for her hard work. Creative Teacher Award goes to Mrs. Ambika Gujjar. Students Friendly Teacher Award goes to Mrs. Farah Khan. Every teacher is unique in their own way, so we have to give them something very different. We have to name them, otherwise they all have different qualities. So Mrs. Priyanka Shinde is one of the innovative teacher. So Innovative Teacher Award goes to Mrs. Priyanka Shinde. Again, Mrs. Dhanashri Fadnis, one of our hardworking teachers who has spent her 11 years in the school and she is with us. Thank you for being with us, Dhanashri ma'am. One of our active teacher who has joined to us back, Mrs. Shikha Thakur. We have excellence in social science pedagogy award, Mr. Sachin Vickers. Mr. Sachin Vickers truly deserves this award as a social science pedagogy excellence. We have excellence in science pedagogy, Mrs. Soumya Menon. We have excellence in English language award, Mr. Balaji Hende. Balaji Hente is our English department person, and he is taking care of the need of our children. So we thank all these excellent teachers who all have devoted their life for the institution. Next. We have all-rounder teacher, Mrs. Next is. We have Creative Teacher Award to Mrs. Archana Deshpande. Archana Deshpande, one of our primary teachers, she has contributed for the children, so she deserves to be a creative teacher. We have another teacher, Mrs. Anupama Nirmal. She has been considered as Science B Award. That's why I say we have gems in our school who all are supporting our children, and they are taking care of the need of the children. So your children are in the right hands, parents. We have Most Compassionate Teacher Award, Mrs. We have Most Organized Teacher Award, Mrs. Samruddhi Vaidya. Let's come to 100% attendance award for the children now. Another category among the children, 100% attendance award, over to Gomti.
So 100% attendance, I think many of the teachers will get 100% attendance award because they've been there every single day of the year for you. Moving over to children who have achieved 100% attendance mark, and what exactly is the importance of being present every day and on time. Sachin sir will elaborate a little upon it.
Thank you, Gomti ma'am. Good evening, dear parents and students. Regular attendance and promptness are good habits that are expected and appreciated at all levels of schooling and in the workplace. Punctual attendance is essential for effective learning and developing good attitude towards education. Being consistent is the key to achievement. Keeping oneself healthy so that not even one day of class is missed, given the current situation worldwide, is truly commendable. Only when the student has real interest and sincerity will he or she take the efforts to be promptly present in every class or activity. We would like to appreciate our students for displaying such commitment towards studies and school. Let's see who are the 100% attendance winners. Over to Gomti ma'am.
Thank you, Sachin sir. We'll begin with grade 8, and I'm very happy to note that in all three grades we have children who have 100% attendance record this year. In grade 8, it is Ayush Thombe. His camera was on all this time. Where are you, Ayush? Very good job. Ayush Thombe from 8A and Tamanna Bhati from 8B. From 9th standard, who are already 10th graders by now, Darshan Chandorkar from 9th A and Om Varuj from 9th B. And from grade 10, we have the one and only Rajendra Yadav who has 50% attendance. The next segment, ma'am, the floor is all yours.
Another set of teachers awards, as these teachers are the most important person to be appreciated at this floor, where every parent can see, especially grade 8th, 9th and 10th parents must see who are the teachers. They are taking care of your child's education. So the most creative and artistic teacher, we named him as an MS Hussain Award. Shabashia from all of us. Next award is Miss Proactive Teacher Award goes to Mrs. Neena Taple. Congratulations, Mrs. Neena Taple, for this award. Next. We have a lady, excellence in Hindi language pedagogy, Mahadevi Verma Award. Prachina, hearty congratulations. Next. We have the most effective storyteller award in Hindi, Mr. Ganesh Brahme. Congratulations, Ganesh sir. Your children must have studied in the lower classes, in the primary classes. We have another teacher, another Hindi teacher. She is the best descriptive writer. Award goes to Mrs. Priya Raskar. Her writing capability is well appreciated. She can write. The write-ups are very good when she writes. All the alankars have been used. Mrs. Priya Raskar, she is not here, but we congratulate you for this award. Thank you, Priya. We have another teacher, the most creative and adoptable teacher award. Mrs. Poonam Gonzalez. Mrs. Poonam Gonzalez is Sanskrit teacher. She has given 100% results. Children have received 100% marks in Sanskrit. And now, as the school is going to adopt the new national education policy, she will be converting herself into Marathi teacher. So most adaptable and creative teacher award goes to Poonam Gonzalez. Thank you, Poonam. We have a very special character. The Microsoft Engine Award goes to Mr. Chaitanya Paranjali. It's my privilege to mention one of our elementary teacher award is to be given to Mrs. Gayatri Suresh. She is a new member in our school. school member in our school, so award goes to her as an elementary teacher award. Yes, the most passionate students, melodious CEO award goes to our director. Thank you, Kaustubh, for making this event so soulful, so beautiful, so melodious. Next award. Next award is the most adaptable teacher award goes to Mr. Arjun Nagrekar.
The next category, as the technical support team gets ready to presenting the slides, is the Homework Heroes Award. And what is this award about? We have Farah with us to tell you who the heroes are.
Thank you, ma'am. Good evening, everyone. Your future is created by what you do today, not tomorrow. Yes, homework. Homework is important because it is an intersection between home and school. It serves as a window with which you can observe your child's education and express positive attitude towards your child and his or her education. As children grow older, homework and the amount of time engaged in homework increases its importance. Homework can provide another benefit. Your child's ability to bring and assign homework helps to receive a grade which helps to his or her responsibilities. Time management skills are it becomes positive of your child. Homework is a great drawing school and parents. Now let's see our homework heroes. Over to go.
Saili Bispude from 8A and Bhakti Vaidya from 8B. From grade 9, it's very heartening to see many children on the list from grade 9. Dhwani Dhar from 9th A and Raksha Nagar again from 9th A. We have Himanshi Vashisht from 9th A, Shravani Kanpurkar from 9th A and Aisas Singh from 9th A. We have Sai Pawar, I can see her smiling at the camera right now. Sai Pawar from 9th B, Shruti Baghe from 9th B and Samruddhi Karpe again from 9th B. Once again in the limelight is Aryan Mohite from 9th B for submitting his work on time and Deepanshu Kandari again from 9th B. And now to my grade 10 children. We have 4 children who have bagged this honor. Prachi Nandre, Abhinav Anand from 10th A and Yadna Gonzare and Nancy Sonape from 10th B. Now, for the most well-mannered child in the virtual class, what do we exactly expect in a child to be called the most well-mannered child during online sessions? May I request Balaji sir to please enlighten us with his views.
Thank you, Bhakti ma'am, for calling me here to talk about well-mannered students. First of all, good evening, dear students and dear parents. I am here to tell you the importance of good manners in children's life. Good manners is such a sweet aroma that we spread around. It attracts, or we attract people through it around us. If anybody asks me, what will you choose between knowledge and character, I would prefer character over knowledge. because knowledge may give you power to reach the height of success, but it is the character which decides how long you are going to stay there. Definitely, character is very important, and our children learn all these good manners from parents and teachers mostly, because home is the first place where they start learning all these good things, and their second home, that is school. So they are always knowingly, unknowingly imitating the behavior of the people around them. So it is parents' duty, it is teachers' duty to ensure that students speak good, they listen only good, read only good, do only good. So we have to ensure all these things to be made available for the students. Characters or good manners are something which are caught, they are not taught. They are not to be learned. They are to be developed unknowingly and in a natural way. And the character, that is, good manners, are our identity. We create our identity through our behavior. So our behavior should be very pleasing, and we should be pleasant in our behavior, cooperative, polite, humble. These things are very important in our life.
From grade 8, we have Nishant Chauhan from 8A and Sanika Balgankar from 8B as the most well-mannered students in the class. In 9th standard, it is a clean sweep by the boys this time. Aryan Shukla from 9A, Siddesh Patel from 9A, and Chinmay Rakshit from 9B. From grade 10, we have Omkar Kasar and Viraj Shukle as the most well-mannered students in virtual class. The next category of award is for the most important stakeholder in providing effective education and life values to children, our parents. May I invite Vikram sir to speak a few words on this award category.
Sir, speak from here.
Thank you, Gomti ma'am. Good evening, respected principal ma'am, teachers, parents, and dear students. Everyone needs house to live in, but a supportive family is what builds it a home. Thank you so much, parents, for your constant support, and you have been showing since we stuck into this pandemic situation and lending out your hands to us to come with great zeal and enthusiasm. Parents are the first teachers to their kids, and they are always imitate or do what their parents does. We would like to award most supportive parents for enabling their kids to go an extra mile and supporting our vision of nurturing the pillars of the society. In all award categories, the role and the responsibilities of parents play a crucial role, and it goes without saying. Now I would like to call upon Gomti ma'am to announce the most supportive parents award. Thank you.
Thank you, Vikram sir. The most supportive parent award, an award of distinction and rare honor. From grade 8, the most supportive parents are parents of Anushka Kadavre from 8A and Noosh Karna from 8B. From grade 9, we have the parents of Master Lena Kore and Miss Samiksha Pawar as the most supportive parents. From grade 9B, we have the parents of Miss Krishna Argade and Miss Shruti Bagel as the most supportive parents. And from grade 10, We have Mrs. and Mr. Moharana, parents of Aradhana Moharana, and Mrs. and Mr. Konjare, parents of Yatna Konjare, as the most supportive parents. The next award category is Extra Mile Award for children of grades 8 to 10. And to talk more about this award, I call upon our Vice Principal, Sheetal ma'am. Thank you, Gomti ma'am. Good evening to all dear parents and students. Definitely this award is very special. The word itself says extra. So just we will see what about this. If you say that someone is willing to go the extra mile, you mean that they are willing to a special effort to do or achieve something. The characteristics of these students are: first, they accept responsibilities. They are responsible for their outcomes and experiences. They are self-motivated. They believe in themselves. They are optimistic. They have strong willpower. They have patience and passion for their learnings. So definitely they deserve it. Over to Gopi. Thank you, Sheetal ma'am. Now for this very distinguished honor for children who put in that extra to get extra results. From 8th A it is Ms. Anushka Adavale, and from 8th B, 8th A, sorry, is Ms. Amisha Kasbe. From 9th standard, we have Paridhar, Krishna Albade, and Aryan Gomte bagging the Extra Mile Award. And from grade 10, we have 4 students, Asya Maneri and Yash Gansare from 10th A, and Vedant Minde and Bhagwat Pingle from 10th B. Now, for the segment on Teachers Awards, we will go over the ma'am.
Dear parents, Teachers Awards are very special for me. Why? Because it's a rare chance we can appreciate our teachers in front of our parents. Otherwise, during the meetings, during special days, we do appreciate them, but it is a rare we all are, especially during this pandemic. We are isolated in our respective places, and we can utilize the time in the best way. I think this is the best way to utilize the time and appreciate our teachers for their efforts. Though we have categorized the teachers in a very different way, but each and every teacher is having less or more such kind of qualities. The another award is Life Smart Teacher Award to Mr. Samir Singh Chavan. Samir Singh. Samir Singh is our physical education teacher. He takes care of students' health. And that's why it is Life Smart Teacher Award. Because life is based on health, physical education. Now, CBSE also is giving maximum importance to the physical health, because health is wealth, or in other words, if you have good health, then only you can survive in this difficult time. So, thank you, sir, for your support, being a life smart person, and take care of others as well. Next award, we have our from the medical department. We have 2 gems who are taking care of our health. The most organized, compassionate caregiver award Why it is named as Organized Compassionate Caregiver Award means she is organized in her, at her level. She takes care of the need of the teachers, parents, students, whosoever is coming to school. And beside that, she is taking care of herself as well. So Mrs. Darshana Shelar, our most compassionate and caregiver person, our nurse. Thank you so much, Darshana. We have another person, Mrs. Neela Jethwa. She is another nurse in our local campus, but presently she is here in this campus itself. She is most cheerful, compassionate, and again caregiver because they have to care for us. Thank you so much, ma'am. We have our counselor. Though he is designated as a counselor, but he is the most adaptable teacher who comes to our school, the most organized Parents' Choice FDE Award. Because she is taking care of our parents, she is guiding them according to the requirement, and she is giving them the best input about the institution and about the candidates as well. Mrs. Monica Gonzalez. We have another FDE, that is front desk executive, Mrs. Mamta Pawar. She is taking care of our local campus, and she is again a most organized Parents' Choice FDE because they are updating. They are updating the parents about the institution, about the school, about the curriculum, about the system. So they deserve, they are the face of the school, hence they deserve to get this kind of award. So we appreciate their services. Thank you, Mrs. Mamta Pawar. Next, most effective cost accounting person, Mr. Sachin Satkar. Our face of the school, who is taking care of the fee records, and he is such an honest person. His honesty is well appreciated. He is associated with us since 1 decade. I appreciate his services. He is a truthful and an honest person. His services in Podar International School is well appreciated. May God bless him to remain such a character. Sachin Satkar, sir. Sabashiyan. We have our admin officer, senior admin officer, Effective Collaborator Award, Mr. Omkar Dabolkar. We have people who takes care of our need, who is taking care of the institution, who is taking care of the classes, who is taking care of the cleanliness and all such things. They deserve a thunder applause because at Amit Khan campus, he is taking care of the sanitation of the classrooms, and when the children are coming to school, this is his responsibility to make sure everything is intact. Next. Again, we have another officer, admin officer. He is equally effective collaborator at the Rohtal campus, Mr. Santosh More, and he also deserves this award. They collaborate to intact the system, whatever it is, the building which is there, it has to be kept neat and tidy. It is their responsibility to take care of the need of the institution. Next. We have 2 team players who take care of our children when the children come and go by bus. Presently, bus services are not there, but we do appreciate their services. They are still in the school and taking care of the buses when they will get an order and they will start the buses. So thank you, Santosh Chavan sir, being so good team player along with the school team. Team members award goes to Sukhdev Hosge because he is also part of our bus system, who is the transporting system. We thank their services. This is one of the platform where whether they are listening or not listening, appreciation is that appreciation where you appreciate the back. So we are appreciating each and every member who is associated with Podar, who is giving their services for the organization. Directly, indirectly, each and every member of Podar is appreciated. Thank you so very much. Our other teachers, previous slide, other teachers who are in the primary sections, they are well appreciated in the during the first session of the children. Miss Jennifer Rodriguez, she is a cheerful teacher award, she is joyful teacher award. We have awarded Madhuri Durgude as cheerful teacher award. We have appreciated Madhuri Muluk as a teacher's extra mile award because she has really gave a task to herself. We gave most compassionate teacher award to Harshala Chaudhary, and we have given student motivator award to one of our most eminent teacher, Mrs. Archana Valunj. Another set of teachers, most compassionate teacher, Mrs. Pooja Kadam, most effective storyteller in Marathi, Shamal Das. We have elementary school teacher award to Jayashree Deshmukh. We have optimistic teacher award to Mrs. Amita Tiwari. Thank you, teachers. Let's come to the next project, next award for the children, the most innovative project award for our children.
To speak more about this award, I now request Prachina and Munish sir to come to the stage. Podium.
मुस्कुराते हुए उत्साहवर्धन करते हुए कार्यक्रम को आगे बढ़ाते हैं। खूबसूरत से पल का किस्सा बन जाता है, खूबसूरत से पल का किस्सा बन जाता है, जाने कौन कब जिंदगी का हिस्सा बन जाता है। कुछ खास लोग मिलते हैं जिंदगी में, जिनसे कभी न बिछड़ने वाला रिश्ता बन जाता है। आदर, आभार, अभिनंदन, नमस्कार। A very beautiful, pleasant, good evening, one and all present over here. We would like to appreciate the effort of our children to design the projects in very innovative way. It really affects the creativity of the students. Students must design their projects in very innovative way. Must design their projects in very innovative way to showcase their knowledge. These projects activities provide so many learning opportunities to each one of you. So now I would like to call Munish sir to express his thoughts.
Thank you, Prachi ma'am. Respected principal ma'am, teachers, parents, and dear my students, good evening, all of you. Creativity, imagination, aesthetic appeal, artistic appeal, innovation and presentation are the hallmark of an outstanding project. Students have always surprised us with their out-of-the-box thinking and new ways of presenting their ideas. Add to this promise in word submission, and we have the ideal choice for most innovative project. Thank you so much. Over to Gopinath.
Thank you, Munish sir and Prachina. To look at the children who impressed all the teachers with their projects, appreciating them for their creativity, innovation, and hard work. From grade 8, the most innovative project award is backed by two students. We have Aditya Venkat from 8A and Atharva Shelar from 8B. From 9th standard, we have about 7 children backing the award. The first set of children, Shravani Kanulkar from 9th A, Param Kadia from 9th A, and Aniket Chauhan from 9th A. From 9th B, we are proud to present Sadiksha Hase, Anushka Sindhurkar, Sari Pawar, and Atharva Gorade. And in grade 10, the most innovative project award is won by Arpita Pajpute, Anisha Bhosle, Ayan Momin, and Shivang Mondal. Dear parents and children, this is the prototype of the e-certificate that the students will be receiving in honor of their efforts and hard work. There is a small request. If there is any change in the email ID of the parent, you are requested to send it through WhatsApp to the class teacher immediately by today evening, so that the cert can be to you as early as possible. We thank our parents and students for actively and promptly participating in this annual virtual awards function and making it a grand success. Before we wind up, may I request ma'am to bless all our children for a very, very successful and fruitful year ahead.
Good evening, parents, students, teachers, and each and every member who is sitting in this studio, and whosoever has been given chance to watch these awards. I consider these award ceremony as not less than an Oscar award event. These awards are so precious for our children that we can't imagine. It has been said कि अगर अंधेरे में कोई दिया दिखाए तो वो दिया किसी floodlight से भी कम नहीं होता है. So these awards are inspiration for our children. I request all my parents that appreciate your children. The children who have achieved their awards, keep them in your mobile status, WhatsApp status, share it in the Facebook page. If you are in the Instagram, share it in Instagram. Talk to your family members, and the families who all are, who know your children. That my child is a winner. In the school has conducted one award ceremony, and that's how these children get appreciation. Appreciation is not easy. At the same time, appreciation is not difficult as well. For this, you require a big heart, and we all have a big heart to appreciate our children. When we appreciate somebody, you can see the smile is there on your face. Giving is always, bigger than taking. So when we give, we become big. It is the quality of the Almighty, because Almighty only gives us everything. He has given this life to us. He has given this voice which we are having it, which with that we are able to communicate to each other. I'm thankful to the Almighty for bringing such kind of blessed days where we are together, where we are able to appreciate each other. It is one step you take ahead, 2 steps I will take ahead. And that's how we will make our best relationship. The relationships are always such where you cherish in future. So we are going to cherish all best memories in lifetime. Our grade 10 students are going to write their exams in the May. So all the best for our children. In the month of April, we are going to have one final, the pre-board exam, where we will be guiding our our children, we will be blessing our children, we will be giving all kinds of support to our children. Children, please study hard if you want to get extra mile result. These extra mile awards are inspiration, nothing but inspiration. So take care of yourself and utilize your time in the best way. Learning happens when we learn. In the month of April, we are going to have 1 or 2 sessions of NEP. During that time, I'll be talking about how the education system is going to be little different than the present one. Whatever changes have been taken place in national education policy, that will be shared with you all. And from second and third, we are going to have our orientation program for grade 1 to 10th, who all are there with us. And I wish each and every student a very best life ahead. They should become they should set an example for their family, for their own self. They should give themselves a pat on their back, whatever they have achieved for. Thank you once again for supporting us, for joining in this virtual academic, non-academic award. Thank you teachers, parents, organizers. All special thanks to all our team members. They have given the support they have given it from past 3 days. We are 24 hours out of that. More than 12 hours we are working in these awards. So thank you Vaishali, thank you Kaustubh, thank you Arjun sir, Gomti, each and every member. These are the members, they were in forefront, back office, they were working really hard. Without them, it was not possible to have this kind of program. Thank you everyone. May God bless each one of us with good health and happiness.